Good morning guys and welcome to day 21 of our travel daily vlog.
Right now we are in Warsaw and going to old part of the city to show you around.
Here we can see huge monument with the soldiers. I think it's about Second World War for the people who defend their country and city. And I know that old part of the town was completely destroyed and actually it was rebuilt after war. We can see a fortress wall here and the entrance to the old part of the city. You can easily get access to the walls. There is no any restriction, which is pretty cool. And you can walk around and see the view. This is one of the main square in old part of Warsaw. And this fountain has the Mermaid of Warsaw. She's like defending the city. And it's pretty cool monument. Here in all part of the city, a lot of tourists and locals walking around, but it's still very calm and quiet compared to Morocco.
Yes, we have been there just now and it's very big difference.
Yeah, like when there is crowded, it seems like ears start bleeding of the loud.
Very messy.
And yeah, but here everything is calm and chill, and from every single corner you can hear different music. And as I mentioned you before, all these buildings around was completely destroyed during the Second World War and just rebuilt it after, but they still looks pretty old because they use the same plan from the pictures, whatever they have, to reconstruct them in really same way as they were before. Here is the plan of the city. Warsaw have two city centers. One is in the old town here and the second is modern part of Warsaw, and both of them are really great. I really like this city. I've been here many times and it's one of the most favorite city in Europe for me. When you walk here, you just enjoy every single second. Street musician is literally everywhere here. This is Museum of Frederick Chopin. It's a Polish composer, but he's famous not only in Poland but all over the world. He's one of the most famous piano player, and we will go to this museum right now. Pretty cool building, right? The ceiling is paint.
Seems like it was his house.
I don't know. Paint of the paint. How cool is this? Do you want to give your hair to this museum? Because some Rachel gave it. Maybe they didn't ask her.
I'm not related to Chopin.
There's only one interactive thing here. You can open.
It's my favorite.
That's actually a pretty cool room. The maps goes all around. And right next to the river you can find this very beautiful garden. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's a very huge wall from the trees with benches inside. And it's a bit cooler here because a lot of shadow. Let's go and see inside. And this is the tiniest Warsaw street. We can go downstairs. Yeah, it's tiny, but compared to Morocco, Marrakesh, it's very wide. And now we're heading to the Palace of Culture and Science. We want to go to the rooftop to see the panoramic view of Warsaw, and I hope it will be open because today is Sunday and many places on Sunday are not open in Europe.
Oh look, they opened.
Look at these sneakers. Probably it's your size, right?
Are yours? That's funny.
The palace is right there, but here everything is under construction. And I can see how we can go to the other side of the road because everything behind the fence. Oh, I see. Maybe we can use this underground just to cross the street. Let's try. And boring people just use the regular stairs here. I can see that the buildings are open and you can buy a ticket, but there is a huge line. And to skip it, you can purchase ticket online. The two tickets cost 56 zloty, which is about $16, so $8 for one. And let's try to purchase them online. Yeah, we can use Visa. Let's see the view. What I don't like about this viewpoint is that everything is under this fence and you need to place your camera after it to make a view. But from here it's look like this. Yeah.
We're in a cage.
You can go all the way around and see the city from different angles. And I think this side is way more beautiful than all the other one. A lot of huge skyscrapers. Of course, not so many as in Toronto, for example, but still it looks great. That was pretty quick. So let's go downstairs. And I assume there will be like huge line to go downstairs if we waited more than 20 minutes to go upstairs. And yes, that's the line to go downstairs. Guys, day 21 is over and we're done with Warsaw, but just for now. The next several days we're gonna spend in another very beautiful city called Lublin. There we're gonna have some very personal matters and family meeting which won't be in this vlog. But after that, I promise you, we're gonna come back and shoot more episodes about Poland and Turkey before going to some really exotic countries. So see you, bye!